to support and assist Myanmar and durable peace in a denuclearized.
Timor-Leste representa husi delegação Ministério Negócio Estrangeiro no Cooperação, lidera husi Diretora-Geral Assunto Asian. Milena Rangel participa ia Asian Regional Forum nível Senior Officer, nebe realiza li husi e-conference meeting, nebe participa husi nação membro IRF Siraniang. Ihanya intervenção Diretora-Geral Milena Rangel qualia konaba isu disputa South China Sea, Timor-Leste, husu banação nebe disputa atau continua resolve tuir dalan dialogo, no husu ba liderança Asian atau hola parte, iha situação ne, hodi mantém situação paz no estabilidade iha segurança regional. Diretora-Geral Nemos fahi experiência Timor-Leste niang wenghira disputa konaba fronteira maritima niang, maka hakotu tuir Convenção Nações Unidas Balai Tasi niang.
On the South China Sea dispute, Timor-Leste is following with grave concern over the development of the dispute, particularly the recent rise of the tension displayed by the competing parties, which will definitely discourage our effort for an immediate and just solution. The South China Sea dispute has regional and global implications for the regional and global stability. Therefore, Timor-Leste commends the leadership of ASEAN and the parties involved in the dispute in pursuing a peaceful solution. Timor-Leste continues to encourage all parties to make substantive negotiation towards the conclusion of the Code of Conduct in the South China Sea. Timor-Leste also shares the views of ASEAN to enhance mutual trust, confidence, and exercise self-restraint and avoid action that may undermine peace and stability in the South China Sea and in the region. Timor-Leste shares the responsibility to contribute within its own capacity in resolving issues of common concern to promote peace and security. We would like to reaffirm that based on our own experience in settling maritime issues, the best solution for all concerned should be consistent with United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea provisions. Furthermore, Timor-Leste values ASEAN centrality and leadership in the resolution of concern in the region based on the guiding principle of Treaty of Amity and Cooperation. We strongly believe that the right is might must be the guiding principle for a fair solution for all parties in our region and not the might is right. Allow me to reiterate our belief that the best means of resolving concern in the region is through genuine dialogue using existing ASEAN regional forum processes and more importantly to respect ASEAN centrality and leadership in the resolution and promotion of peace and security in the region.
1982 can provide the basis for the
Além de idane, niamos informa konaba sucesso Timor-Leste nudar nação ida pa maneja situação husi pandemia COVID-19.
On the COVID-19 pandemic, Timor-Leste is fully aware of the contagious and destructive economic and social impact of COVID-19 pandemic on people's lives around the globe and also in our region. Timor-Leste is one of the countries that has suffered the consequences of this global pandemic, but has managed to overcome this pandemic successfully. Timor-Leste understands the importance of a decisive and timely collective response to prevent any catastrophic caused by the COVID-19 outbreak. We should acknowledge that we did not succeed it alone, but we did it with the generous support of our partners in the region. Therefore, allow me to take this opportunity to thank participating countries of this forum for their support for Timor-Leste to take a rapid and effective response for fighting the pandemic successfully. Especially, I would like to thank New Zealand, China, USA, Australia, Republic of Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brunei, and United Nations Agency, as well as other multilateral agencies. Above all, let me assure Your Excellency that the collective response by all countries in the region towards COVID-19 pandemic, based on Timor-Leste experience, proves the importance and the relevance of being part of this forum when facing such a pandemic or any other threats to our region. Mm.